In many parts of the world, horses symbolize strength, freedom, and historical significance. But in some countries, including China, horses play a more practical role as a source of meat, milk, and leather. With over 125,000 tons of horse meat consumed in 2024, horse farming is an industry that combines tradition, modern technology, and a unique approach to animal husbandry. In this video, we'll take you through the fascinating world of horse breeding, nutrition, and meat production, specifically focusing on the practices used by farmers in China, a country where horses are not only symbols of cultural significance, but also a vital part of the food industry. Horse farming in China is a large-scale operation, with over 11 million horses raised across more than 50 million hectares. Some farms, like Xiao Horse Farm in the southwestern region, house more than 8,000 horses, breeding them for meat, milk, and leather. FarmTech Innovations takes you inside these massive breeding operations, where farmers raise various native breeds, such as the Inner Mongolian and Tangin horses, as well as imported breeds from other regions. The breeding season runs from March to May, and mares are pregnant for about 350 days before giving birth. The process begins with the careful selection of breeding stock. Farmers pay attention to characteristics like health, temperament, and the animal's ability to thrive in the specific environmental conditions of the region. When the foals are born, they weigh approximately 120 pounds and are capable of standing and nursing within hours. The foals stay with their mothers for the first 7 to 9 months, learning how to graze, develop independence, and socialize with other horses. This period is crucial as foals gain strength and build the necessary skills to roam freely later in life. During these early months, foals drink up to 40 pounds of milk daily, a third of their body weight. Their nutrition is carefully monitored, with a balanced diet of fresh grass, fiber, proteins, and supplements to ensure optimal growth. As the horses mature, they begin transitioning from grass-fed diets to more specialized nutrition, which includes corn, soy, and additional grains. Mature horses can weigh up to 1,800 pounds and require a substantial amount of food daily. A mature horse typically consumes around 2% of its body weight each day. The majority of this comes from grass, but if grass is insufficient, farmers provide additional feed to ensure that the horses meet their nutritional needs. This can cost farmers between $500 to $600 per month per horse. It's also important to note that space is crucial for their well-being. The horses need ample pasture to exercise and stay healthy. This open space ensures they maintain muscle mass and overall fitness, which is critical for their later use in meat production. Once the horses arrive at the processing plant, the meat production process begins. The workday starts around 9 a.m. When the first horses are brought in, workers carefully handle the horses to reduce any stress. Once the horses are moved to the processing area, they are stunned using a pneumatic bolt, which renders the animal unconscious without pain. This method ensures the slaughter process is quick and humane. Next, the animals are skinned, using machines that efficiently separate the hide from the meat without damaging the flesh. The entire butchering process takes around an hour. Afterward, the meat is cut, packaged, and vacuum sealed for preservation. Processed, the horse meat is packaged in vacuum-sealed bags and stored at temperatures below 8 degrees Celsius to maintain freshness. Each package is labeled with important information, including the meat type, weight, expiration date, and traceability code. The meat is then prepared for distribution to both local and international markets. In China, horse meat is used in a variety of dishes, including stir-fries, hot pots, sausages, and meatballs, offering a unique flavor profile compared to other types of red meat. The production of horse meat in China is a fascinating process that combines ancient practices with modern farming techniques. From breeding to transportation and processing, every step is carefully managed to ensure the meat is of the highest quality. As horse meat continues to be a valuable part of the Chinese culinary tradition, the importance of sustainable and ethical practices remains at the core of this industry. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of horse farming and meat production. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into food production, farming technologies, and innovations in agriculture.